All right, April 19th, we got 44 kokanee. Some of them 14, 15, and hold up that 16 and a quarter incher. Look at that. 16 and a quarter inches. Nice. What do you guys think?
Great
Awesome.
day. Great day.
Thanks for fishing with us.
Yep. Well, thanks for taking us.
Thank
Did
you.
awesome.
Great time.
All right, April 19th, Dworshak Reservoir, headed out kokanee fishing. Stay tuned. Should be an epic day.
And you look at us too, Grandpa.
That's a good looking fish right there.
Here, put him on there. I want to see how many inches. 16 and a quarter.
Hold on here.
Oh boy.
Wow. What a dandy.
Woohoo! We got him. Yeah. There's one.
I did on that one.
Stretch him, stretch him.
16 and a quarter.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Woohoo!
What a dandy.
Woohoo! We got him.
That's a
Hand
nice
in on the
kokanee.
boat.
That's about 15 inches
Grandpa
at
took
least.
us to the
That's a hell of a Dworshak kokanee right there.
Goodness,
Woohoo!
Alright, Grandpa get the biggest one?
I don't think so. I think he just pulled that off.
All right.
Yeah, that's the biggest one of the day.
Is without a doubt the largest. Nice job. Oh, yeah. Bring him this way.
Just slide your line over to him. And then he's gonna lift real quick. See that? Perfect.
Well, that worked.
That's a little slab.
That one's not even down. Yeah.
What depth you guys been getting them at?
So I'm between 40 and 35. I'm kind of hitting 36, 37.
35, 40.
Well, so seriously, you might want to start counting.
I think
Kind of bad at weight.
These aren't trapped.
Sorry.
it's all right. Nice work. Let me see that setup.
Woohoo!
Cool.